موري لندي توبك ميراك الجهاد دام فيصلة الجهاد موري لندي توبك ميراك الجهاد دام فيصلة الجهاد لك وتناسك بارستك وما الجهاد دام فيصلة الجهاد شي غربان ويقال ابغان بدي الخزر الجهاد دام شي غربان ويقال ابغان بدي الخزر الجهاد دام فيصلة الجهاد ده طالبانو ياري وكي الجهاد دام فيصلة الجهاد ده طالبانو ياري وكي الجهاد
Independence Day are 15 August.
Sorry, just 1 second then, come in. Please, can you say that again? That was very good.
From the beginning.
From the beginning. Or, no, come down one. Perfect.
I start in the name of Allah, who is more merciful in all the worlds. Today, our Independence Day. All Afghan people came here and they make conference about to celebrate the Independence Day. If God is willing, coming 31 August, we will again celebrate this day, because this is the first when the Mujahideen came into Afghanistan, they caged Afghanistan. We want to celebrate and be proud on this day, understand or not? Thanks, man.
Can I ask you, you're celebrating independence, but you're also celebrating victory.
Oh, right,
No,
yes.
please, let me ask.
Mansoor.